How to create a group on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can simply create a group on Instagram. So firstly what you guys need to do is to simply open up Instagram, and then once you have Instagram opened up, after that you guys just simply need to open up your Instagram profile. And once you have your profile opened up, simply go to Instagram DMs, and then from over here simply click on the pencil that you see in the top right. Once you click there, from over here click on the search bar and choose the people that you want to add. So I'm going to choose myself, and then I'm also going to choose one other person, so that person can be one of my friends. So once I choose them, now I have two people. I can add in more people by simply choosing another person, and there we go. Now we have a group. I can add in as many people as I want, and as soon as I click on chat, I will have one group and I can start sending messages in this particular group. So this is how you guys can create a group on Instagram. It's very easy, only takes a minute. Thank you so much for watching guys. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.